Have you ever heard of reusable microfiber wipes before? Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. When it comes to all-purpose cleaning, microfiber towels are a must-have. But have you seen or heard of microfiber wipes? Today, we're introducing you to our top-selling products, the Terra Towels and Micro Wipes. At first glance, one comes off a roll and the other from a box. But what's the difference? And most importantly, which one is right for you? Let's dive in and find out. First up, the Terra Towel. Think of it as a smarter and more sustainable alternative to paper towels. Instead of tossing away your paper towels sheet after sheet, the Terra Towel is a reusable option that's multiple times more absorbent. In fact, each towel has the ability to hold up to 7 times its weight in water, making it perfect for spills, wiping down counters, or tackling those everyday cleaning jobs. Not only are you cutting down on waste, but you're also saving money over time by reusing the same towel through hundreds of washes. Now let's talk about our micro wipes. These towels are all about convenience. Packaged in a tissue box style dispenser, they're an easy grab and go solution. Whether you're at home, in the office, in the garage, or even detailing your car, you've got a fresh microfiber wipe ready to use in seconds. Just like the Terra Towel, our micro wipes are washable and reusable multiple times, giving you long-lasting value through every wipe. So, how do these two stack up? Let's take a closer look at their specs. Terra Towel comes in rolls of 50 or 75 towels, each measuring 11 by 12 inches with a GSM of 180. You can choose between blue or white depending on your preference. Micro Wipes, on the other hand, comes in a 50 count box, each slightly larger at 12 by 12 inches with thicker GSM of 200. And if you like a splash of color, you'll find them in blue, white, orange, and yellow, making it super easy to color code the towels for different purposes. So, whether you like the convenience of a dispenser box or the practicality of a roll, you've got options. At the end of the day, both the Terra Towel and Micro Wipes are fantastic for all-purpose cleaning. They're durable, reusable, and versatile for any job. And when choosing, it all comes down to your personal preference and cleaning style. Or why choose? Just grab them both and they'll handle any job that you throw at them. When it comes to keeping things clean, microfiber just does it better. And if you're interested in our Terra Towel or Micro Wipes, be sure to check the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. And comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.